Okay, just doing a tiny short video showing that all these keys are not stuck anymore. They were definitely stuck there for a second. Is this even in focus? I hope it was the whole time. We'll see. Might have been out of focus. So here's just a thing showing that the keys are unstuck. That one's getting a little tricky still. So what you use is mineral spirits. Gets the grime out of the little spot. And then I haven't put any kind of grease or anything on these, so they're still a little. So, and I also think it's slightly bent. All right, sure. The comma still has issues. That's the only one. I'm fixing it right now on this video, so I don't have to mess with this anymore. Just feeling where it goes, if it's got any kind of whatever. Well, now you guys get to see the process. Q-tip, mineral spirits, gets all the grime and things like that off of there. This is it's kind of a process. That's why, you know, it costs extra money to get an all working typewriter, because it takes time. That's what it was. So it was just something up on the actual bar. Just takes time. Anyways, now they're all working. That's it. And if you ever have trouble, just a little bottle like this, whatever, you can see it. Mineral spirits. Then I use a little cup. Use that, douse it in. And then another thing, just to keep going, is later on, it's called gun oil, extreme duty gun oil. That is something you get at like O'Reilly's. It's like on the counter. And that I'll throw in just a tiny dab whenever it's mine. I don't do these on, you know, other people's stuff because I don't know what people like to use, and as long as they're all working, who cares? So that's another way to get it loose. So that's it. All of them are working. Had to do that video to show you guys. It would have been like, are all the keys working? They are. Anyways, peace out.